Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by making the watch ready. Charge it above 50% and wear it snugly just above the wrist bone so sensors read reliably. Once done, open the workout app and pick the activity, tap one of the presets or choose custom to set time, distance, or calories. Make sure to calibrate outdoors with your iPhone for 20 to 30 minutes. Calibration improves pace and distance accuracy, which matters for consistent training feedback. Now you focus on execution and data. Choose the precise workout type and enable GPS for outdoor runs or rides. That gives accurate maps and pacing. Make sure heart rate and the performance fields you care about, speed, power, cadence, are visible on screen so you can adjust effort in real time. Use auto pause for stops, set intervals or custom alarms to structure repeats, and glance at zones to keep intensity where you want it during the session. To finish, tap end and review the session summary for time, heart rate, pace, calories, and splits so you know what changed. Make sure the workouts sync to your iPhone's fitness app and set recovery notes and trends to plan your next session. If numbers look wrong or data is missing, check app permissions, restart both devices, and recalibrate outdoors. This fixes most sensor or GPS issues and ensures future workouts reflect real progress.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.